When a frontline worker joins a manufacturing organization, the success of that hire is often decided in the very first days. Because unlike office roles, manufacturing onboarding happens under tight timelines, strict safety requirements, and complex operational environments, where missing a single step can impact compliance, productivity, or even worker safety. HR teams in industries like automotive, heavy manufacturing, and industrial operations constantly struggle with paper-based onboarding, disconnected systems, lack of mobile access, and the challenge of delivering a consistent experience to workers who may not have corporate email or desk access on day one. This is where HR Cloud fundamentally transforms onboarding for manufacturing frontline workers by bringing everything into one connected, mobile-first experience, centralizing onboarding tasks, automating workflows across HR, managers, and operations, ensuring compliance documents and training acknowledgements are completed on time, and giving frontline employees easy access to what they need, exactly when they need it, without adding administrative burden. A strong example of this transformation is MG Motor Europe, an automotive organization that needed to modernize HR operations for a mixed workforce of office employees and field engineers, where HR Cloud helped digitize onboarding, automate task assignments, and provide mobile access, eliminating manual coordination, saving significant HR time, and ensuring onboarding tasks were automatically routed to the right people at the right moment, allowing their HR team to scale efficiently while supporting employees who are frequently on the move. For HR leaders and people managers, the impact goes beyond efficiency structured. Digital onboarding helps frontline workers feel confident and supported from day one, improves compliance, reduces early attrition, and frees HR teams to focus on people instead of paperwork. So the real question becomes, how confident are you that every frontline worker in your organization is set up for success from their very first shift? Scan the QR code and book a demo today to see how structured, mobile-first onboarding can support both HR teams and frontline workers.